Hello guys! What's up? This is our dinner for tonight. We have eggplant pizza with matching chicken patties served with egg yolk and ponzu sauce, and very rich in vitamin A and B12 chicken liver adobo. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make eggplant pizza. It's easy and it's low carb with lots of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. So let's get started. This is the eggplant I bought at the supermarket. It's big and round, ideal for making eggplant pizza. Cut into 1.5 centimeters thick. I'm going to use olive oil. You can also use vegetable oil. Apply it on the eggplant on both sides. Sprinkle with salt. Put it in an oven toaster and set for 3 minutes. I will use sausage, a leftover from our breakfast this morning. Let's check on our eggplant. Now let's turn over and toast for another 3 minutes. And now they are ready for our sauce and toppings. I'm going to use spaghetti meat sauce. You can also use ordinary ketchup. I use this because it has ground beef and mushroom already. You don't have to use toppings anymore. But since I have sausage available, I use it. Then let's add quick melt cheese. Then let's sprinkle parsley. I always have parsley at home. It comes very handy. It gives color, making your dish look appetizing. And finally, let's put them back in the oven toaster and toast for 7 minutes. For the meantime, let's cook our chicken patties. It's ready-made and I bought it at a very cheap price. It helps when you're very busy. It's time-saving and very delicious as well. Brown the patties on both sides. Cover it in 3 minutes to make sure that it's cooked inside. It's done! And now, they're ready! Looks yummy! Let's eat! Oishi! Sarap! Yummy! Perfect ang pizza! Please subscribe and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. I'll be happy to see your comments down below. And don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified of my new videos. Thanks for watching!